ScruffPack, howl at your boy ScruffPack here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I bring you guys some more Ratchet Clank. This will be part 3 of the series, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the playthrough so far. But I won't keep you here too much longer. Let's go ahead and get into the action.
You're swimming in bolts. Time to...
Wait, is that Skidd McMarks up ahead?
Hey, all right. So last time we played, hold on, I'm gonna buy something real quick. Last time we played, we had to save Planet Novellis, or hold on, I don't know the name of the planet. Hold on, give me a second. Let me buy this.
Oh, I just might make my quota this week.
Oh, this guy different.
Now go out and set the world on fire.
Sounds good. All right, hold on. Let me double check so I can give you guys proper names.
Which planet
yes,
should we go
Novellis.
to? The nav computer
Novellis.
indicates that there is an important gadget we must retrieve in Iridia.
Novellis. Either way, you see it right here. So we're on Iridia now, about to save Skidd McMarks, which is the the nephew to the mayor of Novellis. So we're gonna go ahead and save him real quick. What's up, homie?
Oh man, am I happy you two dudes showed. I've been out here all night.
I can't believe it, Skidd McMarks. I have seen every one of your races. You pulled off a triple Nova spin at Mach 2 at last year's Kerwin Cup.
It's always good to meet a fan, little dude.
I am Clank. This is Ratchet. Your uncle received your infobot and asked us to assist you.
Oh, I was wondering if he got that. My agent and I have been running from those blarg all night. Only we ended up getting separated in the chaos, and I took a gnarly fall getting out of the Skidd McMarks sports shack. Hey, think you dudes can clear out the sand sharks so I can get to my ship? Give me my hoverboard.
Sand sharks?
Whoa, a real McMarks 4000? Consider it done.
All right. Oh, I see him right there.
Wait, come back. There's still some sand sharks out here.
Don't worry, I got you, boss. I'm trying to get my monies up real quick. All right, let's try out the flame. Oh, the pyro sitter. Boom!
Yeah, little dude.
I like it. Look at that. Okay, already getting goodies. Burn, baby, burn. Oh, bitch. Alright, ready for this? All this heat I got.
Looks like there are a few sand sharks up there on the plateau. Think you can take care of them?
Got your boss, I got your boss. Nice to be in the studio like this. Spitting that flame. The fire, the flame. Alright, ready? You hop out, you get burned, bro. Making some of that rotisserie sand shark, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Where was the other group at? Oh, over there. Oh, it's a lot. I assume these plants spawn them, so I'm gonna go ahead and just... Hey, level up. You already know. You already know.
Hey, are you dudes like hungry? Because when this is over, I could go with some food. You know, like a cheeseburger or some space pizza. I think Quark ScruffPack still delivers this late.
Space pizza. This man over here just vibing and shit. Hey, why you killing them sand shark? What you want to eat, bro? I got him on speed though. I got the DoorDash on speed though. Oh, I'm missing some. Missing a few. Oh, thought it would take fall damage.
Sand sharks on the plateau.
On the plateau. Oh, hello.
Huh?
Oh, shit. There we go. Burn. Get away.
Look up there. That must be Skidd's ship.
Where? The ship going away? Oh, that one. All right, so aha. Bitch. Hey, no touching. No touching.
Got 'em all. Nice work, little dudes.
That was pretty awesome. Thanks for your help. Here's your hoverboard.
Whoa, and it's autographed. To Ratchet and Clank, the chillest dudes I've ever hung out with on a hostile alien planet. Cool.
Will you be able to get home on your own?
I'll be okay, though I don't think I'll be able to compete in the Blackwater City hoverboard competition. Kind of a bummer, dude. Hey, have either of you little dudes seen my agent? I feel kind of bad leaving him out here. He doesn't do well with nature.
He doesn't do well with nature. Hold on. Blow that up. Collecting the money.
Oh, dude, I hope this isn't a career-ending injury.
Oh, you'll be fine.
We should search the area for Skidd's agent. He may need our assistance.
Probably right. Probably right there, Clank.
Attention, future
Smack.
consumer. While the Skidd McMark Sports Shack appreciates your enthusiasm, you are now trespassing in a restricted area.
You ain't got nothing on me,
Please
dog.
vacate the construction site.
Look, I'm trying to save this. So, let me do me. This robot lady.
Oh boy,
Uh-oh.
out of ammo.
Ow. You go melee when you ain't got no ammo. I hear y'all. Where y'all at? Got some big ass heads, yo.
Oh, reinforcements.
Oh, that was hurt me. Hey, nice. Can I throw this?
That's the last of them.
I can throw it? Oh,
That
snap.
was impressive.
I don't think I knew that. Yo. Oh, y'all done fucked up. I'm Thor out here. I'm lost. Interesting. You made me waste ammo. Oh, you know what? I don't know why I did that. I could just threw my, what's it called? Yo.
Attention, future consumer. We thank
Oh, I
you
love
for
it.
your interest in the Skidd McMark Sports Shack. However, your refusal to leave has forced us to activate the Constructobots. Have a nice day.
Booyah!
My sensors are picking up a strange energy signature near the swing shot targets. I believe it may be a gadget from Drake Industries.
All right, let's have a look around.
Ah, I see you two dudes found my store. Hey, it doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be awesome! We're
store
gonna
will
have
be huge.
hoverboards, a swing shot course, and even a 24-hour taco stand with those late-night munchy-munch attacks.
Late night munchy attacks.
Intrusion detected in Sector 4. Dispatching Constructobots.
I'm Thor. Ow. Can't stop me. You can't stop me.
Coming.
I need to waste my ammo.
Future consumer. The finest selection of hoverboards, grav bikes, and gyrocycles will not be in stock until next fall. The only thing waiting for you here is death.
Yo, the robots, like auto messages,
Hey, Skidd
reckless.
McMark here, and as you know, I'm a naturally talented hoverboarder. You know what else is natural about me? Find out by visiting our herbal supplements department. You'll thank me later, man. No, seriously, you will.
Boom. He eating these shots. I ain't too happy about that one. Gotcha.
Huh?
Oh. it's no space. Another shark down there? I found I could throw my damn wrench. Oh, it's different now. Ammo. Thank you. Oh wait. Let's go down here. Booyah! Oh. Yeah, I'm with them. Oh, hey, that's not gonna attack me now.
Enemy down.
Hey, what I get? Hello card pack acquired. Nice. I'm getting rich off y'all though. Keep coming. Alright, how do I get back up there? It ain't that way. Whoop. Up.
Client has information that belongs to Chairman Trek. Come on, don't make this hard on yourself. Give him up and no one gets hurt.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't know where he is. You know celebrities these days. They do whatever they want. We can work this out, can't we?
Oh shit. Go this way.
By feeding you to the sand sharks.
The sand sharks.
Help! These brutes are trying to kill me. Take out.
I'm gonna burn him. Oh, no, you messed up now.
There's more of them. Hey, get them off my back and I'll make you famous.
Let's do this. Double time.
That's impressive. Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports?
Oh, snap. You don't want this.
Good work, kid. I think that's all of it.
Let's go. Easy peasy stuff.
Hey, you must be the two heroes who saved my client, huh? Don't tell me. Socket and Clink.
Ratchet and Clank.
Right. Beautiful. Sprocket and Plank. I like the sound of
You ain't
it.
even
Real
trying.
marketing potential. I could sell that. Listen, my client and I got separated in our somewhat hasty trek back to the ship. I'd go meet up with them, but this place is crawling with sand sharks. Think you can help me out?
You have nothing to fear, sir. The sand sharks have been dealt with.
Beautiful. You two have heart. I can sell that.
We are always happy to assist.
We really appreciate you helping us out.
So where are you off to now?
A hospital, I guess. Gotta get this lead checked out.
A hospital? Skid, come on. You've been through worse. What are we gonna do about your sponsors?
I'm beginning to think you don't, care about me or whatever.
Fine. What about you, Renchi?
Ratchet.
Exactly. You want to be a hoverboard star? This infobot will give you all the details. Just tell him Don Wonderstar sent you.
It's that time again. The annual Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition on Planet Rilgar. Are you a young thrill seeker looking to show off your hoverboard skills? Then blast on over to Rilgar and experience the pulse-pounding thrill of doing Mach 3 on a rocket-powered piece of plastic. How exciting is the race? Just listen to some of our previous champions.
I never miss the Blackwater City hoverboard competition, except for next year's. I probably won't make that one.
I can't feel my toes. Is that normal?
We're offering cash prizes and holo cards to the winners. So head to Planet Rilgar and take a shot at the most extreme sporting event in the galaxy. And try not to die.
Ruthless, man, I tell y'all. This game ruthless. No feelings.
Wow, we just saved a celebrity. I want to check out that hoverboard competition.
Most def.
Ratchet, we should explore the rest of the sports shack.
Okay, they get inside of the sports shack. Yep.
Perhaps we should explore Skidd Sports Shack again. There may be something useful there.
Agents camp. Oh, nice. Wait, oh, whoa. Can I get there from here? Oh, you can go down. Oh, what's that? Uh-oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, ow. How the hell? I can't make it. Nope. Well, that's unfortunate. I ain't finna waste my time. I need ammo too.
You got a lot of raritanium. Come see me and let's do some upgrades.
This man trying to spend all my money, all my goods. That's the entrance. I know something. Aha! Whee! Money, 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 money. Is there anything down there? Doesn't seem like it. Oh, okay. Too close. There we go.
Yaha, Skid McMark's here. Hey, don't let old man Winter bum you out. Visit our snowboard department and pick up the
That might be too close.
snow shredding technology. It's never too cold to be cool. Hey, it's Skid here.
Oh, I missed it.
Anybody can buy stuff and look cool, but unless you sound cool, you won't be cool. So check out our class schedule and sign up for a cool seminar where you'll learn to look, sound, and even smell cool, like me.
This motherfucker different.
Catch some waves.
Oh, almost missed that.
Dudes, if I got a deal for you, just head over to the Pro Serve department and say the secret phrase, whoa, dude, and get 5% on your next purchase. Whoa, dude.
Ooh.
Ratchet & Clank found a portable hydro displacer, designed by Dr. Nefarious. This ingenious device promised to move water from one place to the other.
That's a whole lot of water. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
With just a push of a button, the duo could now fill an entire swimming pool. Originally designed to unclog Valkyrie toilets, Ratchet would find the hydro displacer invaluable in navigating the sewers of the galaxy.
Nice.
We should head back to the ship.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Could I just went this way the whole time? Oh, wait, maybe not, because I didn't have the thing to fill up the water. Never mind. The ship. Alright, ScruffPack, thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you'll never miss when a new video goes live. Don't forget, you can also catch me on Twitch at twitch.tv/IamScruffyWolf, and you can follow me on all my socials. I will link those down below. But thank you again for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Later.